Hello dear traders, today is Tuesday, January 18th, and as usual I'm ready to share the red hot market review prepared for InstaForex. What's going on in financial markets today? Crude oil has surpassed the strongest level of the last year. The European stock indices are set for a new bullish wave after a downwards correction like the American ones. Now let's discuss everything in detail. I have got a trading plan for gold. Let's consider my plan on the daily chart. The price approached twice the level of 1830 and I'd like to turn your attention to 1812. That's clearly seen on the 4-hour chart. This level has just been broken. Currently, gold is trading below this level. I suggest working based on the possible fake breakout. Alternatively, we can buy at a retracement between 61.8% and 50% Fibonacci levels, with the target of 1831. For the time being, the price is in the buyer's area, so it wouldn't be a nice idea to plan some long positions. Perhaps you could try entering the market with tight stop orders in the American session, or you could try setting a wide stop loss, for example, at 1790, and the take profit at 1831. I guess this plan fits the ABC structure that could trade well in the American session. US trading floors are opening after the bank holiday yesterday. The euro-dollar pair. The euro-dollar pair is drifting downwards. The intrigue here is that the currency pair has settled at the mirror level. I wouldn't be surprised if the price grows again. Why do I predict this way? On the grounds of my method hunting for stop orders, there are neither buy or sell signals. Meanwhile, the trading instrument is hovering at lows. I see the pair trading sluggishly. Perhaps the pair will slip lower and reverse upwards. I'm not involved in this price action. 15 waves might appear upwards on the chart, but eventually you will see your stop losses triggered. I'm waiting for some confirmation. The pound-dollar pair has been moving in a similar fashion. The sterling is making a retracement, though it might continue its bullish move. I don't see any clear signals at the moment, however, I still believe in my big plan on the pound sterling. Following the impulse of 2020, the sterling could surge as high as 1.43. I have told you a few times about it. The dollar-yen pair is trading without a clear-cut trend. I see pin bars in both directions. The last pin bar is still open, and I don't see any trading signals for the time being. So it will be better to stay away from the markets, not to waste money. The USD CAD pair is expected to drop today as oil prices have printed higher highs of last year. The currency pair is trading now quietly at lower levels. Some traders want to see five waves upwards. The idea is nice, but there are no proper targets at highs. Those who believe in the strong US dollar can take advantage of it through the USD CAD pair. You should understand that such a trading idea will be implemented in case oil prices reverse downwards and develop a downtrend. Hence, the Canadian dollar will weaken amid the firm greenback. The question is when it will happen. Thus, I would rather cancel any trading ideas on this currency pair because there are a lot of questions. That's all for today. See you online soon. Bye bye.